All right, guys. Today we're at Bishop's Knob Campground in the Monongahela National Forest. $8 a night. So you can't beat that. So, we're gonna go right on up through here. We'll show you camp here in just a minute. Here's some of the sights. If you notice, it's quite deserted. There's my camp. There's the camp host and one other. So there's only 3 people in this entire campground. And we're spaced out far enough where you can't see the other ones. So we're gonna have some peace and solitude in the Monongahela National Forest. Look there, guys. Nobody. Nobody. All right, guys, there's camp for the night. Show you my camp. Tarps for just in case. Just in case it rains. We just left Summit Lake, and it's rained every day for 3 days, and some of them's been heavy. So that's what we got. Guys, there's a bear right there. 3 of them. Guys, we showed you in my last camping video my tent and my water sprayer for taking showers. Well, we're heating up the bath water right now. Well, I told this knucklehead we needed some wood, and he went and drug up a log. I don't know how in the world we're gonna burn this up. Boy, it's tougher than a boot.
I got it! I got it! No, look,
All right, guys, we're going to attempt to make some popcorn in this little Dutch oven I got here. Let's get this thing lit up here. We'll get the oil good and hot. We'll throw that popcorn in. All right, guys, here goes nothing. Never done this before, but we're gonna try it out. Start with a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it, guys, but it's popping. All right, that little batch popped, so we're gonna try a bigger batch. Guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's popping. See what we got. Looks like popcorn to me, guys. Let's doctor this stuff up a little bit.
I have my banana bread too. I haven't made it in a very long time. My favorite is the pumpkin pie. Yeah, and the extra account that I have.
Good popcorn. All right, I know I didn't mention it, but today's the 4th of July. And I'm hearing fireworks off in the distance. Now we're out in the boondocks. But you got a couple little towns, I'm guessing 10, 15 miles from here. Town of Richwood, West Virginia, and you got Calvin and a few other ones. Don't know where it's coming from, but we can hear them and they're lighting them up. So happy 4th of July.
This is not working. Just one.
Probably
Last evening at Bishop Knob Campground. Last meal of the camping trip, for dinner anyway, is my favorite, fried chicken. Thanks, sweetheart.
You're welcome.
This is gonna be delicious. Fried chicken in the cast iron skillet. All right, campsites broke down. Spent 2 nights here. So we're gonna wrap this one up. Hope you enjoyed the trip.